How to remove a mower deck from a Cub Cadet. Removing the mower deck on your Cub Cadet mower makes servicing the deck more convenient. 4 linkages and a front bracket assembly secure the mower deck to the mower. The front bracket assembly mounts between the front of the mower deck and again behind the front wheels. Removing the mower deck requires dismantling the front bracket assembly and disconnecting the deck from the 4 linkages. Things you will need: pliers. Park the Cub Cadet mower on a solid, level surface. Turn off the engine, and place the PTO lever in the off position. Place all other mower controls into the neutral position, and set the brake pedal lock. Lower the deck lift handle to the lowest setting. The lift handle is the long handle on the right side of the mower that operates the raising and lowering of the mower deck. Remove the cotter pin from the brake rod toward the left front of your mower. The brake rod connects to the clutch rod with a cotter pin and flat washer. Pull the cotter pin out with a pair of pliers and slide the flat washer off the clutch rod. Remove the idler pulley belt from the idler pulley. The idler pulley belt guard is located between the main drive pulley and the idler pulley. Pulleys are in front of the mower deck and behind the front wheels. A rod with a metal loop on the end is behind the belt guard. Pull the metal loop, and roll the belt off the idler pulley. Pull the engine drive pulley guard down, and roll the belt off the drive pulley. The pulley guard is the bent bar in front of the drive pulley. Turn the wheels of the tractor all the way to the left. Remove the front bar that connects to the front hanger assembly, located under the right side of the tractor. The assembly connects to the front of the mower deck and to the bar on the front hanger brackets, which drop down from the tractor. Remove the cotter pin securing the front bar to the hanger bracket. Push the bar through the left side of the front hanger assembly. Remove the front hanger assembly from the roller bracket in front of the mower deck. Pull the cotter pin securing the front assembly rod to the roller bracket and mower deck. Pull the front hanger assembly away from the deck. Disconnect the 4 remaining linkages that support the mower deck under the mower. Lift the deck slightly under each link, and remove the cotter pin securing the deck support rods from the linkages. Move the lift handle to the highest deck position. This clears the linkages away from the mower deck. Pull the mower deck out from under the Cub Cadet by pulling the deck from the right side of the mower.